Mama. Let's clap it. Mama. Let's sign it. Mama. Good job. Clapping. This is clapping. Mama. Can you say Dada? Can you say Mama? Mama. Can you say Mama's name? Can you say